Hello, no BS, straight to the point video, how you can zoom in Sony Vegas. First I'm gonna import my video. It's the regular gameplay video that I have. I'm gonna drag and drop it. Here, match the settings, doesn't really matter. And now, how we can zoom in. As you can see, for example, let's say I wanna zoom in on this Siamese cat. So, what I need to click is this option right here, Event Pan Crop. Or pan crop. If it doesn't show up, chances are it is too small, like this. See, I just separated the video. See, if it doesn't show, you need to zoom in on the timeline so it appears, right? You're looking for this event pan/crop. Okay, not gonna zoom in on its butthole, but so how you can zoom in? All you have to do is click on this event pan crop, then look at your preview window and just drag it to the side like this, and as you can see, the video automatically zooms. Now this will zoom out the entire section, the entire clip which you have separated, or your entire clip. If you want to zoom out different parts of the video, you want to prematurely clip it. For example, I'm going to zoom out this part, and then this part is going to stay like it is, normal height, normal zoom in. So I'm going to zoom this out or zoom this in like that, and then right here it should zoom out again to the normal dimensions of the video. See, this is how it works. It's as simple as that. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like and sub if it helped you out, and I'll see you next time. Take care, everyone.